Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is barricade. It's pronounced ba-ra-cade, and it is spelt B-A-R-R-I-C-A-D-E. Think bar, but with two R's, then the letter I, and then cade. A barricade is a barrier erected across a street or other thoroughfare to prevent or delay movement. For example, you could say, the police set up a barricade to stop the bank robbers from escaping, if they block the road with police cars and barriers. The word barricade comes from the Middle French word barricade and from the Spanish barricada, which literally translates as made of barrels. Barricade's modern meaning began in riots in Paris in the 1500s, when large barrels filled with earth and stones were set up in the streets to stop the rioters. Did you know that perhaps the most famous wall of all, the Great Wall of China, was originally built as a barricade? This gigantic structure was built with military motivations, namely to protect China from its neighbors. The wall stretches a huge 13,171 miles and took about 20 years to build. However, it was routinely breached by marauders who broke through this giant barricade. Barricade is both a verb and a noun, and therefore it is both a doing word and a word used to refer to a thing. For example, you could say, the terrified people barricaded themselves inside their houses. This uses the word barricade as a verb. In this context, barricade means to block or defend with an improvised barrier. Or, on the other hand, you could say, there was a barricade in place to keep the public from entering a crime scene. This uses the word barricade as a noun. Barricade is defined in the dictionary as a line or pile of objects put together, often quickly, to stop people from going where they want to go, and to build a barricade across, around, or in front of something. Barricade synonyms include barrier, obstacle, blockade, bar, fence, obstruction, roadblock, and defense. Antonyms include opening, aid, help, and entrance. See if you can notice a barricade today. It could be a blocked off road or even a hastily closed door. Either way, impress your parents by pointing out that it is a barricade. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.